The project is looking at natural farming in Andhra Pradesh. Natural farming doesn't use synthetic chemicals, pesticides, fertilisers, so it's a movement away from that. The government rationale for it is good for the environment, it's good for people's health, and it's also for socio-economic reasons as well. The intention is that this method will be rolled out to 6 million farmers in the state. The promoters suggest that it's very good for yield, but without any kind of real evidence backing. In the soil science side, we were looking at controlled field experiments comparing the yield benefits of natural farming compared to conventional and organic alternatives.
From the social science side, we really wanted to understand why were farmers making the decisions that they were making in terms of adopting natural farming. So we developed a participatory photography praxis initiated by research fellows that we trained in the villages with 6 different women's self-help groups in 3 different districts in Andhra Pradesh, mirroring the districts that the soil science investigations were taking place so that we could have that same sort of communities to compare. There are more unquantifiable gains that people were achieving through adoption of natural farming, such as legacy, what they felt they were leaving to their children, independence, the feeling of not being dependent on the government, memory, reproducing agricultural landscapes so they look like they did when the farmers were young. It's reductive to just view farmers simply as actors in a marketplace. They have much more complex lives and they make decisions on much more nuanced things than just perhaps yield or income. Understanding their motivations, their subjective motivations, will be helpful to spread natural farming or to expand the adoption of natural farming to other places.